In this video, I will show you how to update Google Chrome on your laptop. To get started, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser. And once you've done that, if you come and click onto the three dots in the top right hand corner, and from this menu that comes up, you want to come and hover over the help option. What that's going to do is bring up a submenu like this. From here, you want to click onto About Google Chrome, which is going to take you to a screen like this. Now, from here, if there's any updates available, it should start automatically updating Google Chrome. There might also be a button you can click to start the update as well. But if there's any updates available, just run through and wait for Chrome to update. And once that's done, it's going to ask you to relaunch Chrome to finish updating. So just simply click onto the relaunch button. What that's going to do is relaunch the up-to-date version of Chrome. So as you can see, my version of Google Chrome is now up to date. So that is how to update Google Chrome on your laptop. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Google Chrome and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.